So good day, sir. This is another video of one of the course output, which is static routing configuration. Sir, I just want to apologize for I wasn't able to finish the video as submitted on OAP. So now I will recreate this from start to end. So here's the given topology diagram, and I will recreate this. So first I will add a router, 3 routers for router 1, router 2, and then router 3. So I will change this into router 1, R1, which represents the router 1. This is R2, and this is R3. So next is I will add 6 PCs. PC1, PC2, PC3, 4, and 5. So I will just rename this into PC6. Next is lalagyan ko sila ng connection. So for PC connecting to routers, I will use copper crossover. So itong PC2, I will use fast Ethernet 0, then connect it into router, then fast Ethernet 0. And then itong PC5, fast Ethernet 1, PC1, fast Ethernet 0, and then itong PC4 is fast Ethernet 1, 0/1. PC6 is fast Ethernet 0/0. While this PC3 is fast Ethernet 1, 0/1. So for us to connect these routers, I will use this serial DCE. So router 2 going to router 1 is DCE. Router 1 going to router 3 is DCE connection. And then router 3 to router 2 is also DCE. So I will use this serial DCE, yung line na may clock. Pero bago ko sila lagyan ng cable, dadagdagan ko muna sila ng module. So for para malagyan natin sila, i-off natin to, and then add WIC2T, and then on. The same process with router 2 and then router 3. Off. Add this one. Add this one and then on. The same with router 3. Off. WIC2T and then on. So, as you can see, pwede ka na siyang ilagay. Again. So, ito nga si DCE, router 2 to the router 1. Serial connection 0. And then, router 2 to router 1, 0. And then, router 1 serial 0/0/1 going to router 3. It is also serial 0/01. Router 3 serial 0 and then serial 0/0/1. So ayan, connect. Ay, sorry. Before that, lalagyan ko pa pala ng number of hosts yung mga PC. So on PC2, there are 350 hosts. PC1 is 765 hosts. PC4 is 150 hosts. PC3 is 50 hosts. PC6 is 900 hosts. And then PC5 is 125 hosts. PC2.
Kahit hindi mo matitingnan, ang dali lang yan. 9. Oh, 9. 10, 11. Oh. Tantan!
350 hosts.
Ito ni gago mo. Gago mo na kayo yan. Tatapusin mo yan, 6 pa pang para magbuka ng pangatan.
So, the next na gagawin ko is i-configure ko lahat ng mga end devices. Magbe-base naman ako configuration ng mga end devices, mga PC. Magbe-base ako sa addressing scheme. So, tatap ko to, PC1. Desktop, and then IP configuration. So, dito sa IPv4, kakopy ko yung IP address ni PC1. And then, input ko dito kay IPv4. Subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. So, automatic na may subnet mask. Ay, mali yan. 252.0. And then, next, kung i-copy IC default gateway, which is 192.168.4.1. And then, next is PC2. default gateway ni PC2. Which is 192.168.8.1. Next is PC3, C50 host. One 192.168.11.190. Okay. 192.168.11.190. .192. Then, ang default gateway ni PC3 ay 192.168.11.129. Next is PC4, C150 host. IP address niya ay, IPv4 address niya ay 192.168.10.254. And then IP address niya is 255.255.255.0. Then default gateway is 192.168.10.1. Ay, ano PC na to? PC4. Next is wait lang po, check ko lang, double check ko si PC4. Then 254 255.255.10.1. Next is PC5. So IPv4 address ni PC5 ay 192.168.11.126. And then subnet mask niya ay 255.255.255.128. Default gateway ay 192.168.11.1. And then PC6 IP address is 192.168.3.254. 192.168.3.254. And then default gateway niya is 255.255.255.252.0. And then default gateway is 192.168.0.1. So after configuring all the end devices, next naman is i-configure ko si router 1. So for us to configure router 1, tatap ko siya. And then proceed to CLI. No. And then enable configure terminal. Name R1 and enable secret class. No IP domain. Lookup. No IP domain lookup. No IP domain lookup. And then next is banner MOTD hash unauthorized is strictly prohibited. Line console 0. Password Cisco. Login. Line VTY 04. Line VTY 04. Login. Password Cisco. Login. So, na-configure ko na si router 1. And then, next na i-configure ko yung mga fast ethernet port ni router 1 na under ni router 1. So, fast ethernet 0/0 and fast ethernet 0/1. So, interface. Unahin natin si fast ethernet 0/0. So, interface FA 0/0. IP address. So, IP address ni fast ethernet 0. So, ito, control C. Ayaw. So, 192.168.8.1. And then, next is subnet space, then subnet mask. Subnet mask niya. Which is 255.255.254.0. And then enter. Next is no shutdown. No shutdown. So, as you can see, green na to. Green na yung connection ni PC2. It means up na yung connection niyan. And then next is fast ethernet 0/1. So, interface so na yun? Interface FA 0/1. And then IP address. Yung IP address ni fast ethernet 01, which is si 192.168.11.1. And then subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. And then next na ilalagay natin is no shutdown. No shutdown para mag-up yung connection nito. No shutdown. So, ayan, nag-green na rin siya. Ito, si PC, yung connection, LAN cable, yung cable ni PC5. So, up na yan. And then next is yung connection ni router 1 going to router 2, and then router 1 going to router 3. So, bale itong serial SE0/0/0. So, interface SE 0 SE 0/0/0 interface. No. And then IP address interface SE0/0. So, kukunin natin itong IP address ni serial 0/0, which is si 192.168.11.194. Ay! Incomplete command. IP address 192.168.11.194. And then, lalagay natin si subnet mask niya 255.255.255.252. So, and then, since DT ito, hindi tayo maglalagay ng clock rate. So, next naman is serial 0/0/1. So, interface SE 0/0/1, and then IP address is 192.168.11.201 space, lagay natin si subnet mask niya 255.255.255.252. Since ito nga DCE connection to, so lalagay tayo ng clock rate 9,600, and then no shutdown again. And then itong connection na to, meron na tong connection na yan, but since hindi pa tapos i-configure sa router 2 and router 3, hindi pa siya, nag-colored pa rin siya. Colored pa rin. So, next naman is router 2. Tama ba? I know, hindi pa pala. So, yung next na gagawin natin is connection ng lahat ng in-devices na connected kay router 1. Paano na to? So, routing table. So, bali, unahin natin si PC1. So, input natin IP route. PC1 is 765 hosts. So, kunin natin yung network address ni PC1. 192.168 192.168.4.0. Next is subnet mask ni PC1/22 ay 255 dot 255.252.0. Next is yung exit route naman. So, bali ang exit route ni PC1 is PC1 SE serial 0/0. So, router 2 SE0. Ito, 192.168.11.193. 192.168.11.193. And then, next is PC4. PC4 C150 host. So, 192, I know. IP route. IP route 192.168.10.0. Ay, mali. IP route kulang. IP route 192.168.10.0. And then, under /24 subnet mask ni PC4 is 255.255.255.0. Next is exit route, since same lang silang nasa router 2, so it's also 192.168.11.193. And then, next naman is kay PC6. Itong si 900 host. So, network address is 192. IP route 192.168.0.0. Next, subnet mask ni /22 ay 255.255.252.0. So, exit route ni router 3 ay exit route SE001. So, bale, 192.168 router 3 SE001 192.168 192.168.11.202. So, next ay kay PC3. Huh? Ay, IP route 192.168.0.0 192.168.11.202. Next is IP route ni PC3. So, PC3 is 50 hosts. Network address ni 50 ay 192.168.11.128. And then next is subnet mask. Subnet mask ay /26 to. So, it's 255.255.255.192. And then, exit route, since same lang siya dito kay PC6, the exit route is also 192.168.11.202. So, next is yung default route naman ni router 2 and router 3. Default route, IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0. Ay, mali. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 192.168.11.193. Then default router ni router 3 is 192. Tama ba? 192 dot 168 168.11.202. So, tapos na natin i-configure si router 1. Next naman kay router 2. Okay. So, kay router 2, bangking ang laptop ko. No. And then, enable, configure, terminal, hostname, R2, enable, secret class, no IP domain lookup, no IP domain lookup, and then banner MOTD hash unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Line console 0, and then password Cisco, login, line VTY04, password Cisco,
Ingay, ginagawa mo tantaan.
login. And then next is i-configure ko lahat ng fast ethernet, fast ethernet port under kay router 2. So
Ito, ako is special because it is filled yan. Ang ano yung mga yan. Tapos yung hindi ka marunong mag-ano.
saan na ako?
Tutulian mo to,
So tulad nga ng sinabi ko, i-configure ko lahat ng port ng mga fast ethernet. First, unahin ko kay fast ethernet 0/0. So interface
panuorin mo muna tapos yung mga
FA 0/0,
downloads mo.
and then
Hindi ka nag-save
IP address
ayos.
192.168.4.1 space the subnet mask of fast ethernet 0/0 is 255.255.252.0. Next is fast ethernet 0/1. So IP address niya is IP address 192.168.10.1, and then the subnet mask is 255.25 mali ba yan? 255.255.255.0. Next is mali. So interface type ko man 192.168. 192.168. That 4. That 1. 255. That 255. That 252. That 0. So, pagkatapos ng interface 0, next is interface next is interface FA0 fast Ethernet 1, IP address 192.168.10.1 space. The subnet mask is 255.255.
Teres, diligan yung mabuti yung talong. Diligan yung mabuti yung talong.
And then
Basahin yung mabuti.
Ano?
Ano? Okay, wait.
IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0, and then interface so serial connection naman tayo ni router 2, serial connection 0. So interface 192.168.11.193, and then subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.252. And then since itong si serial connection ni router 2 na 0 ay DCE,
Matulog ka kay Giselle. Yung dalawa.
hala, mali na naman nalagay ko. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa ako mag-interface pala. Ano ba yan? Ay, sakto, hindi pa na ano. Interface SE0/0/0/0, then tab, enter, and then IP address. So serial connection ni router 192.168.11.193, and then subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. And then since ito nga DCE siya, so lalagay tayo ng clock rate. clock rate 9600. And then no shutdown para mag-up yung connection. Next naman is i-configure natin si router 2 going to router 2 going to router 3 and router 2 going to router 1. Router 2 going to router 1. So, router 2 going to router 3. Interface SE 0/0/1. So, ito yan. Ito. And then, IP address. (192.168.11.198), then space the subnet mask of 0/0/1, 255.255.255.252. So, then no shutdown, and then exit. Next naman na i-configure natin is lahat ng PC na connected kay enable. Next, yung i-configure natin is lahat ng devices na connected kay router 2. So, ito, si PC2, 5, PC6, PC3. So, yun ang kukunin natin is itong si PC5, which is si 125 host. 125 host. So, kukunin natin yung network address niya. First is, nag-exit pala ako dun, no? enable configure terminal. So, IP route, anong kanyon? PC5, C125 host. PC5. So, network address subnet mask and then exit route. IP route 192 ilan? Long host 125. So, 192.168.11.0 and then subnet mask nito ay under /25. So, 255.255.255.128 and then ang exit route ni neto ay router 1 PC5 router 1 SE001. So ito ay hindi router 1 ba? PC5 194 ito 192.168.11.194. So next is CPC2 under router 1 which has 350 hosts. So network address niya is IP route 350 hosts 192.168.8.0 and then subnet mask niya /23 ay 255.255.254.0 and then ang exit route niya is also same with the PC5 because they have the same router. So it would be 192.168.11.194. And then next is CPC6 under router 3. PC6 900 hosts. IP route 192.168.0.0 space subnet mask is /22. So 255.255.252.0 and then ang exit route niya is kay router 3 ito. So 192.168.11.202 and then last is kay PC3 IP route C50 hosts. So 192.168.11.128 and then subnet mask niya ay 255.255.255.192 and then ang exit route niya is also same with PC6 which is 192.168.11.202 because they have the same router. And then default router naman ni router 1. So 0. So press IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0. 0.0.0.0.0, and then the exit route is 192.168.11.194. And then default route ni router 3, which is IP route 0.0.0 space 0. And then 192.168.11.202. So, next is kay router 3 naman na tayo. Up na tong connection ni router 2 going to router 1 and router 2 going to router 3. And all the end devices connected to the both routers. Next is router 3. So, router 3. Enable secret class, and then no IP domain lookup, no IP domain lookup, banner MOTD hash unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Line console 0. Password Cisco. Login. Line VPY04. Password Cisco. Password Cisco, and then login. So, next naman is i-configure natin yung mga fast Ethernet ports from router 3. So, first interface FA0/0. IP address is 192.168.0.1, and then subnet mask is 255.255.252.0, and then no shutdown. Next is interface FA0/1. IP address is 192.168.11.129, and then subnet mask is 255.255.255.192, and then no shutdown. And then next is serial connection 0. Interface SE0/0. Ay. Interface SE0/0/0. And then next is SE. So DCE siya, kaya may clock rate. Itong si SE0/0/0 ay DCE connection. So maglalagay tayo ng clock rate dito. So IP address is 192.168.11.197, and then subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. And then since it is DCE connection, so lalagay tayo ng clock rate. Ba't ilag? Ay, nalalagay ko. Clock rate. Clock rate 9600.
Tantan, tapusin mo na lahat yan.
And then no shutdown.
Tapusin mo na yan. Pagkatapos ka. Lahat yan, lahat.
Next is router 3 serial 0/0/1. Interface SE0/. 192.168.11.202. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. So next is no shutdown. So after nyan is i-configure lahat ng PC na connected kay router 3. Yes na to. So IP route. First is mag-start tayo kay PC1. Saan yun? PC1 is 765 hosts. So kukunin natin yung IP route nito na 192.168.0.0. So ay 4 pala. 4. Next is subnet master/22. So 255.255.252.0. And then ang exit route niya is
Oo, hindi yung kasama.
ito.
6 lang ako, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulit ka.
192.168.11.193. And then next ay PC4. So si PC4 ay saan na yun? 150 hosts.
to, Terence? Almita, ano to, Terence?
IP route.
Dagdagan mo lang ng ano. Dagdagan mo lang isa, 18. Alisin mo ulit yung 8.
PC force 150 hosts. So,
Ikaw na, hindi yung ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
192.168.10.0. And then subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.0. Next is exit route niya, since same lang silang nasa router 1. Tama ba route? Ay, hindi, router 2. Same lang sa kanina, which is 192.168.11.193. Next is configure naman natin si PC number 193. So si PC4.
ulit ka. 18 yan. Alis mo yung 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ngayon, bilangin yung natitira. Umayos ka, hindi ganyan. Umupo ka.
So shutdown. Router 2. One 192.168.4.0. Next is PC5.
Kala mo lang ng 17 yung 18. Yan ang tira, ang dali-dali lang.
So IP route 192.168.11.0. Subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.128. And then exit route kay router 1 ay 192.168.11.201. Next, IP route, ay dalawang IP route 192.168.11.0 255.255.255.128. And then next is exit route 192.168.11.201. So next IPC2 IP route 192.168.8.0. Then subnet mask is 255.255.254.0. And then exit route is also the same with PC number 5. So 192.168.11.201. So default route naman tayo. So IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0.0. One, two, three, 4, and then 192.168.11.193. IP routes 192.168.11.201. So, pagkatapos nyan, okay na. Tapos na ako mag-configure ng devices and routers.
Hindi. Tama. Hindi.
FA. Wait. FA0.
18 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Saan part yan?
Luca! Persis! Luca! Persis!
So, next is simulation naman. Simulation. Lalagay tayo ng packets.
Oo na, alam ko. Gumawa ka na. Kutin na kita. Lucas! Terence! Terence! Kunin mo nga si Luca dito.
Nasaan siya?
Tawagin mo.
Luka!
O kaya si Miming. Si Luca na lang.